Hey, hi Stefan. So yeah, recording this video for you. And if I go here to your services section, okay, if I click on services, so there are these different services. Okay, so what you need to do here is, instead of just having these list and get a quote button over here, so what you need to do is have a dedicated page about these things. Okay, so if I go here, so there is a service and this thing is there. Okay, now like these optimization sample of the page, how you need to build is plumber in Raleigh NC. When I search here, so if I open this competitor, so let me open this one. Okay, so if I go here to their plumbing services, then they have all these water heater, tankless water, plumbing repairs, leak detection, and all of these piping and repiping. So all of these dedicated services, those kinds of the dedicated services you need to have. Okay, and after that, now let me also go and check their footer also. Why to check only one website? Let me also check this one, right? William Paris Plumbing. So if I go here, and similarly, like as I said in that, so all other competitors have dedicated page like this for every services. Okay, so you need to have a proper structured dedicated page, and the good structured dedicated page will look something like this. Okay, this is the structure of the good looking page. And like now if I go to another thing that you are lacking, which is, let me open here. So if I go here, so there is no the dedicated locations you saw pages. Okay, so what you need to do is, let me click here and see service areas. So if I go here, so these are Apex, Cary, Durham, Clayton. So these are all other dedicated location page. So if I go to the Cary, so now this is service area Cary, and this is the dedicated location page for their Cary. So when people search, like now uh, like the keywords like plumber in Cary NC, plumber in Cary NC. If you see here, this Benjamin Franklin as well, it is here because of their this Cary NC dedicated location page. Okay, and if I change this to, let's say, Durham, this is another website that has slash Durham as a one of the location page. So this is the Durham plumbing repair, so this is their own Durham page. Okay, so if I similarly, if I click here, so this is their other location page. Okay, so this way you need to have a dedicated location page set up for all the nearby location. Okay, so these just take care of these two things and you'll have a more leverage on these things, rest of the other thing as well. So like if I click here and check the schema, also search here, you are saying that you are a local business, but there is a way to say local business, meaning it could be anything, like the lawn care movers, the pest control company, even the dentist, dental practices, all of they are part of the local business, right? But you need to have a way to say, hey, you are a plumbing business. So these are more technical part at the moment, like which you need overall technical person to know and look into that. But at the moment, what you can do from your own individual side is start creating the dedicated all the location page, the Clayton, Cary, the Durham, and multiple other sub location pages as well. Okay, and that way you will start to rank higher and better. So yeah, this is the one major leverage that you can take, which is absolutely a bigger gap. So hope this helps. Have a good time.